thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County, northeastern Ripley County, northwestern Warren County until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Batesville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines.
Eastern Standard Time. At 1:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
St. Leon, Napoleon, Cedar Grove, Huntersville, Cedar Grove, Pentown, Interstate 74 at State Route 101, New Trenton, Lawrenceville, and St. Peter. This includes I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 148 and 167. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southeastern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Ripley, Indiana,